How to make a table of content in Word. I'm running Word 2019 here, but it works in 2016, 2013, and I think 365 too. So I have my example text here. It's a quick text. I'm going to insert a table of content above here, but first I need to prepare the text, because you write text, then you prepare it, and then you insert a table of content and go from there. So first thing you're going to do is go to home, put a pin in it, and let's say chapter 1, that's heading 1. Chapter 2 is heading 1. Chapter 3 is heading 1 too. So already you see that it's looking better. The paragraphs get a heading of 2. It's the same as in newspapers basically. Heading 2. So now you should be done with preparing of the text. So now you're done with the text, and now you can insert in references a table of content. Let's pick this one, it's easy. What you see now is it pushed a bit of text to page 2. You see that it's nicely set up. It has the chapters, it has the paragraphs, etc. Because it's now a 2-page spread, you want to update the table. And now you see page 1, page 2. And if you want to, let's say, insert a, I don't know, page break, everything moves to page 2. And now you can update the entire table. Now it says everything page 2. If you update something over here, let's say you have paragraph, what is it? 3.4. Below it you have, well, more text. And you go to home, give it a heading or 2. You can update the entire table, and it just adds another paragraph. Or you could just, I don't know, change this. When you update the entire table, it does the exact same thing. The other alternative is that you only update the page numbers. So that's another thing you can have a look at. That's a quick explanation of how to insert a table of content. If you want me to show you how to make a complete report, including front page, last page, index, content, etc., images, etc., let me know in the comments and I will start on that video. Thanks for now. Please like, subscribe, and I hope you like my quick videos. Thank you. Bye bye.